Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix sleep mode not working on Motorola G87. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on clock app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache clock app. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end. Click on system and click on reset option and reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.